Hello everyone, Coach Karen here. It's been a while and I have some very exciting news to share with you today. If you've been following Being Agile Consulting or me, you would know that Being Agile Consulting has been all about empowering people, teams and individuals to succeed through business agility. Well, it's time to restructure our vision and I cannot wait to share with you all today. Well, I know that for my favorite followers, they must have known that I've been away for almost a year and a half now. I just want to first say a big thank you to all those that have reached out and supported me throughout my time away. I really appreciate you all. So today, I'm not only excited to share with you my return, I'm also very excited to share with you a brand, bold, new, restructured vision for Being Agile Consulting, which I think you would really love. For those of you who don't know, I actually started Being Agile Consulting to help people build their tech careers and to also help organizations to successfully navigate their agile transformation. Well, over the years, this journey has taught me that success is not only about thriving in your career, it's also about mastering your finances and building a fulfilling life. So what is this new vision for Being Agile Consulting? So moving forward, Being Agile Consulting will be rooted in 3 pillars. Number 1, business agility. Number 2, career success. And number 3, healthy money habits. So these are the 3 pillars that will sustain Being Agile community moving forward. For Agile coaching, we will continue to share content and empower the community through business agility. And for career coaching, we will continue to empower people on their career transition, job hunting, and branding on how to thrive as a professional. Last but not the least, with healthy money habits, we will begin to share practical tips on how to manage your finances, build wealth, and create a stable foundation for your future. So why does this even matter? Over the years, through Being Agile Consulting, many people have experienced a life-transforming change or turnaround. They were able to transition into way better careers, that is moving from $13 to $17 per hour to over $150,000 averagely per year. Yet they were unable, or they are still unable to create a sustainable, healthy financial or money generating lifestyle for them. A typical example would be, I know most of us are aware that for the past 1 to 2 years, the tech job market has been hit in a very horrible way. Many people losing their jobs, layoffs, and whatnot. And as people started experiencing this, they moved from 100 to 0 in terms of finances. And this is as a result of them not having healthy money habits. So that is why now Being Agile want to prioritize these conversations and coach, mentor the community, especially the minority community, on how to maintain or practice healthy money habits that will create a sustainable or stable foundation for your financial future. So now, moving forward, instead of just focusing only about the agile and tech career, we are really prioritizing the conversation around healthy money habits. As you can see, these 3 core pillars, that is business agility, careers, and healthy money habits, are interconnected. That is, your career feeds your financial growth. And then with the agile mindset, you are able to be flexible or easily adapt so that you can create a healthy, stable foundation for your financial freedom. If this new vision resonates with you, these are the things that I need you to do. I need you to quickly hit the subscription button, turn on that notification bell so you will not miss out on any of our content. Also, go ahead and share. It goes a long way to help push our videos to more people and encourage us to keep doing the good work that we are already doing. And last but not the least, We have upcoming mentorship classes coming up. Please visit our website, learn more about the programs, and if you are interested in transitioning into the agile career path or the tech career space, and you need training for certification, or you need mentoring on how to gain practical hands-on experience, please give us a call, send us an email, and we will be more than happy to assist you pivot. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.